Getting a new Revolut card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To begin, you will need to have an existing Revolut account. If you don't have one, you can download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Cards section, where you can view your existing cards and request a new one. Click on the Order a New Card button and select the type of card you want to order. You can choose from a range of different card designs and types, including physical and virtual cards. Next, you will need to confirm your delivery address. This is where your new card will be sent. Make sure it is up to date and accurate. You will also need to review and agree to the terms and conditions of your new card. After you have confirmed your details, your new card will be dispatched and should arrive within a few working days. Once you receive your new card, you will need to activate it in the app. This will usually involve entering the new card details and confirming the activation. It is also important to note that you can order a replacement card if your existing card is lost, stolen, or damaged. This can be done in the same way as ordering a new card. Additionally, if you are traveling abroad, you can order a new card to be delivered to your destination. This can be a useful feature if you are going to be away for an extended period. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to keep your card details up to date and secure, and to regularly review your account activity to ensure there are no suspicious transactions. You should also make sure to dispose of your old card securely by cutting it up or shredding it to prevent it from being used by anyone else. Overall, getting a new Revolut card is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your new card is delivered and activated quickly and securely.